welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to unbox a new product of Airwick. Friends, I'm opening this pack and showing you the product that has come to me from Airwick. This is the product which I just received right now. It's a Airwick Essential Mist, Peony and Jasmine. It's a new starter kit which have Essential Mist Diffuser, glows at it mist. This is the Peony and the Jasmine. Infused with natural essential oil, cordless and portable, up to 45 days. Transform fragrances infused with natural essential oil into a mist to create a relaxing atmosphere. Works with all Airwick Essential Mist refill. And this works with battery. They have given the usage direction, that is, first, twist to remove base of device. Second, insert 3 AA batteries. Remove refill cap, push down and twist anti-clockwise. Firmly push refill bottle upright until you hear it click in. And top of refill is secured in place. Fourth, replace base of device. Fifth, turn on device with slider. Light with gently glow. Select intensity setting. Sixth, device will run for 8-hour cycle. The device will run for an 8-hour cycle, releasing mist regularly. Then go on standby for 16 hours. This Peony and Jasmine Essential Mist from Airwick will go on standby for 16 hours. It will work for 8-hour cycle. This is what written on the bottom of this packet. Learn more about our ingredients. Fragrance infused with natural essential oil, free from added acetone and phthalates. Helper solvent carry the fragrance. And you want to know more about this product, you need to scan their QR code here to learn how to use your device. So you need to scan. They have given a scan it over here. They have given the QR code over here. Instruction for safe use. Read carefully, keep for future reference. This device is battery operated for adult use only. The child should not use, is only for the adults. Not to be used by children and persons with reduced physical, sensory or mental capabilities. Use only Airwick refill. So whatever refill you have to put, that is only, you should put out the brand Airwick. So what you have to do, you have to switch off before inserting refills. So whenever you are putting the refill, you have to switch it off. Refills are equipped with a child resident cap. Once open, do not store the refill out of the device. Do not leave it unattended. Once empty, dispose of the refill safely away from the children. Use in well-ventilated areas, only as directed. Keep out of reach of children and pets. Do not inject. They have also given more information on top of your Airwick Essential Mist, Peony and Jasmine contain hydrocarbon C12, C16, isocanous, cyclase, 2% aromatic hydrocarbon, C11, C13, isocanes, 2% aromatic, may be fatal if swallowed and enter airways. Harmful to aquatic life with long-lasting effects. If medical advice is needed, have product container or label at hand. Keep out of reach of children. If swallowed, immediately call a poison center or doctor. Do not induce vomiting. Store locked up. Dispose of container in accordance with local regulation. Contain linalool, tetrahydrolinalool, acetate, alpha isomethyl ionol, ethyl methyl phenyl leachate, heliotropine, citronella may produce an allergic reaction. People suffering from perfume sensitivity should be cautious when using this product. Air fresheners do not replace good hygiene practice. And they given www. Their website name rbeuro.info.com. Made in Hungary, air freshener. Marketed by Recikit Benkizer, Tatabanya, KFT, and their net content is 1 device, 1 refill, 20 ml and 3 alkaline batteries. The MRP of this product is 1199 and the expiry date you can see on the pack they have given. It's manufactured in June 2024 and expired at June 2026. So they have 2 years for this. MRP rupees 1199 per unit. Imported and marketed by consumer. For consumer complaint, contact the company website, that is Bracket Baxter India Private Limited, DLF Cyber Park, 610 Floor, Tower C, 405, Udyog VR, Phase 3, Sector 20, Gurugram, 122016. So the pin code is 122016. Toll free number that given for you to call 1-800-102-7245. Email ID is customercare_in@racket.com. RECKIT.com. Okay friends, now we need to tear. So they are given us a picture over here that you need to tear it off from here. Okay, so I am going to tear it with my own hand. Let's see how I am going to open this pack. So you can open this pack like this. Once you tear off, the pack comes very easily. So this is what I got it from this packet. This one is made of a glass, so you have to be very careful. They have also given their use only as directed. Keep product on a flat surface. Keep upright at all times. Use only Airwick refill. So in this, you only have to use Airwick refill. Do not use damaged unit. Use continuously. Obstruct airflow. Use in small confined pet areas. All you have to, this is do not. So whatever you do not have to do, they have mentioned it over here, and whatever use they have mentioned it over here. So you do not use damaged unit, do not use continuously, do not obstruct airflow, do not use in small confined pet areas, do not use while sleeping, do not inhale vapor directly. Use only non-rechargeable alkaline batteries. Ensure batteries are inserted correctly, aligning the plus and minus terminal. If batteries leak, remove them immediately. Any leak material. Remove batteries if device is not used for a long period of time, is away for more than a week. Turn off device. Do not place near or on source of heat, naked flame and electrical equipment on direct sunlight above 50 degrees C. Mix used batteries of different brand or different kinds. Expose the batteries to water, fire or high temperature. Cause a short circuit. Attempt to recharge batteries. Disposal. According to local regulation, remove batteries, dispose of the empty glass bottle or recycle, dispose of automatic device in the appropriate recycling bin. So this is what is all written in this packet. Okay friends, now let's see how to use it. So friends, I'm gonna open this. See, this is what I got from this. They have provided you 3 batteries that will go in this Airwick Air Freshener. So friends, let us open one of the all the batteries and try to put it and show you how it looks like. So friends, I have placed the 3 batteries which is come over here, and I have also opened this. Like this, and you need to insert it over here. And then close it. There's a nice smell coming of the Peony and Jasmine. This product they are telling that it will last up to 45 days. So after 45 days it will get it over. So friends, let us keep it in our lobby and see what is the review of it. I do really like the smell of it, and I will write in the comment that how the people in our lobby like the smell of it and how they are feeling it. So this was what of Airwick that I had to tell you. You can keep it on the mode if you want a very low mode, high mode. That way they have a button over here like that. See, then the smell comes up very fast mode, and it will release the oil very faster. If you keep it in the slow mode, then it will give less. It will come like this. I do really like the smell of the Airwick fragrance. The Peony and the Jasmine one, I really like it. Now friends, this is what all I have about talking to you. So friends, if you like the video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more such amazing video. And I have left the link in the description. I bought it from Amazon, so I have left the link in the description. If you want to purchase it, you can click on the link and directly purchase it, and the product will be delivered at your home. Thank you friends. Bye.